Alright, so someone requested that I show how I did my motor mounts. I got these adapters that more or less put you at a flat level mounting surface, and they're meant for a 289 Mustang, I think. I don't know where I got them from, and they were hard to get. And then I just used square tube. Had this weird shaped square tube that ended up fitting just nicely on the perch there, or whatever, the cross member, and I just bricked it up with a couple of spacers and then bolted it down. I'm meant to do two, but they're misaligned, so one for now. But everything else is bolted down. And then over on this side, unfortunately, it wants more of an angle or something, less of an angle, I guess. It's not quite the same. So on this one, I just went with this square tube just sitting on this kind of dorky angle, and it bolted down and everything works just fine. Later I hope to make something pretty.